All right, guys, so we're back on this roof. I wanted to talk to you guys about scheduling conflicts and why it's difficult as a roofer. Mainly, I just want to be upfront and honest with you why sometimes your job gets pushed back or pushed forward in some cases. But right now, so the job that we're on is going to take a whole lot more work than what we predicted. We ran into a lot of rotten wood. I want to show you guys what that looks like, a day in the life of a roofer, why we have issues with conflict as far as scheduling. It's very, very difficult. We can't see through the roof, so sometimes we don't know what we're getting into until we tear it off. This job was supposed to take about a day, but it's probably going to take 3, and I'm going to show you why. Number one, beautiful day. You can see it above me. Those are always very, very helpful. We can move a lot faster. Some days we have to be very careful because we got weather coming. It might not be raining at your house, but we have to prepare for the storms that are coming. On this particular job, we got to get this thing finished and wrapped up and dried in. That means we won't get any water penetrations overnight, so these guys can go home, and it's getting late in the day. So these are things that we run into. I'm going to show you guys a lot of rotten wood that we couldn't foresee until we got the roof up. So right here, just tons of rotten wood on this roof. You can see over here, but these guys are working really hard, starting to screw down the insulation board. But also over here, you can see the truss has some damage to it. We're going to put a new 2x4 in here. So these are things that we never know until we get the roof off. So this can put us a day behind, maybe 2 days behind, but we got to do the job right. That's our number one priority. We still got some, here we go. I mean, thankfully we have great carpenters like David here. We got Big Jose here. So we got good carpenters. We can handle the situation, but that might throw our timing off. So we want you guys to understand our main job is to make sure this thing is 100% done right. A day in the life of a roofer, things that are unexpected. Thankfully, we got some great weather today. But this is going to put us about a day or 2 behind, and then the next homeowner is going to get pushed back, and it's going to keep pushing the schedule back. This is a good way for you guys to understand. But we've got tons of equipment, tons of people to try to make sure that we don't have delays.